Who is Ma? When considering the universe with all its forms and occupants, man seems to be the central point of focus. But ironically, not up to 50% of mankind actually understand who man is? More so, the few who understand are divided into two categories. 1. The masters or God's messengers. 2. The wicked ones. The masters, who are few in number, tend to upgrade life and the energy level of mankind. Whilst the wicked ones or the demonic ones are there to mislead mankind with one great option: domination. So many theories had been put together about man, but most often they do not strike the pertinent question, who is man? Some philosophers, in the guise to explain some fundamentals about man, set forth theories like explaining ethics, talking about what is good for man. Example Kant's, or to the level of Descartes, with the formulated statement, I think, I live. But who is really man who is thinking? Many religions try to give their own concise notion about man, for example the Judeo-Christian faith with their formulated theory about the creation. God creating man in his own image, etc. But who actually is man? Basically, considering the theory of evolution, man is said to have evolved from fossils, making man a water animal evolved. From the system's perception, man is a complete system with subsystems. And like every other system, all the phases are integrated. There is the youthful phase, the mature phase, and the old phase. And like every other system, it ends up to die or finish. But considering the religious concept, man created as an image of God. A concept which has wildly been misunderstood by mankind, because they form an image of God based on what they see as man. That is taking from down to up instead of up to down. Looking at God as an image of man instead of man being the image of God. Wrong. But if actually man is the image of God and God is a force or energy, power, love, etc., that has always existed, then man is also a force, energy, etc., and had and will always exist. An image will always exist so long as the object exists. This will actually contradict the system's conception. Again, looking at man as an evolved state of a fossil, thereby an animal. Therefore man is a combination of carbon molecules. So, on combining all these theories, will make us understand that man is very different, both spiritual and physical. The physical nature of man. It is true, carbon molecules unite to form the cell, which is the basic unit of life of humans. These cells regroup themselves further to form the different subsystems like the reproductive, respiratory systems, etc. These cells are made up of atoms constantly in motion, thereby obeying the law of vibration of the universe. Again, there is a start of a spiritual shift within these cells, which somehow begins the spiritual aspect of man. Which is the mind. The mind is within each cell. Very contradictory to what we believe that the mind is in the head. Of course, this is explained by the fact that the brain has a high concentration of cells. It is here that man performs actions like thinking. The mind stands between the true self and the physical self. The spiritual nature of man. Formerly we argued that man is an image of God, that is, from the religious concept of man. And God being a force, that is, if we agree, which had always existed and will ever exist, then this brings us to the spiritual aspect of man. Meaning as human beings we have many spiritual bodies too. Though we cannot perceive physically. The leading spiritual body of man is the soul, as some religions put it. The soul. The soul is that part of man which has always existed. And is always connected with God. Actually, it is the soul which connects man with God. In every case, the soul is the true self of man. The physical body can be considered just like cloth worn on the soul. The soul never dies. The physical self can get tired and worn out just like old cloth and dies off, but new clothing can still be worn. Thereby another physical structure can still be taken to complete God's will. Most often we believe the soul to be within the body, but actually it is the body which is within the soul. The soul is the master. The physical body of man can connect to the master through the wisdom eye. Subscribe. And watch out for the next episode, the wisdom eye. If you like this video, click on the like button, then share. For more issues, click on the link in the description below.